Guys, this is my beautiful client. She purchased another wig for me. I custom colored it. It's a 20-inch, 13 by 4 lace front. It was 613 blonde hair. I did some watercoloring to it. I'm also bleached the knots on it. As you can see, it's ombre, has the dark roots and also the blends of the browns, as you can see. Yeah, she loves it. It came out very nice. Also, I attached the elastic band to it. I used LaceMate Magic Bond to hold it down for I'm hoping at least 2 months. I put four layers on it, so she should be good to go. As long as she wrap it up at night, she should be fine. The hair is good quality. It's nice and full. Very bouncy, as you can see. Want to stand up, V, for me? Then kind of. Oh, yeah.
Already excited.
Yeah, swing it, girl. Yes. Yes. We got the baby hairs, as you can see. Yes. Shake it. Swing it. Okay.